Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Anisita Famor, 46 years old, married, and I'm in the Philippines. My my experience as a domestic helper in Qatar for 5 years in one employer. I serve 8 members in the family, 5 adults and 3 kids. The ages is 3, 6, and 8, including the infant. The infant I do to change diaper, to feed the baby, and to take a bath, and to make sure the baby is clean and tidy. I give also the medicine if needed. I always check the baby if okay or no. After the baby sleeping and her brother and sister going to school, I do another work. I do cleaning, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing, and I do also gardening. After 1 week, I do also to clean the car. Mom and Sir, I know also and I experience also to taking care the elderly. Mom and Sir, please allow me to join your family and to work your family. I am caring, friendly, loving, and trustworthy. Again, thank you.